Okay, we're gonna finish this little shorebird up. Well, if you do this out like maple or walnut or something like this. This is butternut, which is a walnut, member of the walnut family. It's really pretty. And I call these, in a way, I call them like little free forms is what they are. Just getting the form of a, and people say, well, you know, I've done that kind of stuff before. Well, fine, but once again, these are the fun projects. Whittling is a lot of fun, and I started out whittling. You don't want to go back and forget about the roots that you came from. And people say, well, I don't want to go back at all. Well, no, I don't want to go back at all either, but I mean, we all begin in some place, and these are the fun projects that are so much fun to do, so much fun to just have a good time doing. And like I said, these are not museum pieces, but these are pieces that you give somebody. Or Tom has made a life out of what's called whittlings, and he just gives it to little kids and at little art shows and stuff like that. And I'm gonna tell you something. I bet those kids, they probably think they got a Michelangelo. I tell you what, some of those children and people. Let's you know, it's good to be. Want to be the best at something, but be the best at being kind to children too. And Tom's one of the best at that. I'll tell you what, he makes little things. He never goes to a show or never goes to a craft thing without making things for the kids that they can have, and are sending them stuff. And I have such high regard for Tom. I'm able to call him a friend, and he's on Wood Carving Illustrated. You know, also has his blog, Tom Hines. He's done so much for beginning carvers and carvers alike. Okay, we're just about through with this little guy, and then we'll get a piece and make a little base out of it. Okay. All right. We're looking good here. Take a little bit more off in this section right here to make the neck look a little bit better. All right, looking good. Okay, there he's about ready. I'm gonna go get make a little base now. I'll bring in. We'll just whittle off that little base a little bit for him. Okay, there he is. Come up here a little bit. That kind of joins. That's it like that, yeah. Okay, there we go. Now let me go work on that base. I'll bring it back here, and then you'll be able to get it done. Okay.